Explicit type conversion or explicit conversion, as we say, this is also known as casting a value. So we have already discussed implicit type conversion in our previous video, wherein I told you that if we have multiple different kinds of data types within the same expression, then in that case the compiler automatically or by default converts the lower priority data type into a higher priority data type. That is something which is happening by default or implicitly by the compiler, hence it is known as implicit type conversion. But there may be situations where the compiler may not be able to implicitly convert one particular data type into another data type. So in that case, we have to explicitly convert one particular data type into another data type. So such kind of conversions are known as the explicit type conversions. Now we'll take an example here. Say for example, within a town we have a record of the number of females and number of males in that town. So say for example, for the number of females in a particular town, I have an expression female number which is equals to 500. So the data type for this particular data value is integer, because obviously the number of females will always be integer, it cannot be in decimal. Similarly, I have a, a value for the number of males in that particular town. So it will be, say for example, it is 700. So again, obviously it will be an integer data type, because the number of males in a town cannot be decimal. It has to be exactly an integer value. It can be 700, 800, like that, right? Now, say for example, I want to find out the ratio of the number of female and male in that town. So obviously we all know that the formula for ratio is the female number would be divided by the male number. In that way we will get the ratio of female to male in that particular town, right? Now what happens is that when we compute the ratio of female to male with the help of in C using this particular formula. Now since female number is also an integer and male number is also an integer, so an integer divided by integer will produce a value which would be integer, whatever value we may have here, but it will be integer for sure, because what happens is that C compiler will see that this is an integer value, this is an integer value, so both the expressions or the values have the same data type. So there is no question of implicit type conversion here, because implicit type conversion happens when more than one data type exists within the same expression. So in that case, what the compiler does, it converts the lower priority data type into the higher priority data type. But here there is no question of lower or higher priority data type, because you do not have more than one kind of data type. You have just one similar kind of data type, that is integer in both the cases. That is female number is also integer and male number is also integer. So in that case, it will not be able to convert this particular value, that is ratio, into some other data type, because it cannot see any other data type here into which it could be converted. So that means the ratio that would be produced would also be an integer. But now since we know that the division will not produce an exact integer value always, the division of any two numbers would not produce an exact integer values always. In most of the cases, the value that would be produced after the division of two values would be a decimal value. But since here we have not mentioned anywhere that the result should be non-integer, we have it is it is clearly visible that both female number and male number are integers, and the compiler will encounter this thing and it will assume that okay, since female number is also integer and male number is also integer, and I do not have any instruction anywhere that the result of this has to be a non-integer value, so what it will do, it will produce the ratio also as an integer value. So in that case, whatever comes after the decimal would be truncated. Say for example, the female number divided by male number, that is 500 divided by 700, gives you a value 8.20, right? This is a decimal value, but since nowhere here it is mentioned that this has to be a floating point value, so since the computer does not have any brain of its own, so what the compiler will do, it will say, I do not have any instruction of producing the ratio as a floating point value, even if it comes out as a floating point value. So what I will do, I will truncate everything after the decimal, because female number is decimal, male number is decimal, so quite obvious the result of the division of these two values would also be since female number is integer and male number is also integer, so it assumes that by default the result of the division of these two values would also be an integer, right? So hence ratio would be integer. So since the actual value is 0.20, it will truncate everything after this decimal because it has to produce the result in integer. So what would be the ratio? It would be 0, which is wrong. So what is the actual value of ratio? 0.20. But since we have not mentioned here anywhere that the ratio should be in floating, so compiler, since it does not have any brain of its own, will truncate everything after the decimal and produce the ratio as an integer, which would come out to be a 0, which is wrong. So what we have to do here is that we have to explicitly convert the data type integer into the data type float. So how we would do that? We would explicitly write float female number divided by male number. Now notice here that I have just converted female number into float and I have not converted into the male number into float, because I do not need to do that, since the compiler now will see that female number is a floating data type. This thing I have done explicitly. Now the conversion of male number into floating data type will be done implicitly by the C compiler, right? Female number I have explicitly mentioned is floating type, and male number is integer. So what it will do, obviously, as I told you that implicit conversion, the lower priority data type is converted into higher priority. So this being integer would by default be converted into float by the C compiler. Since it encountered that this is integer and this is float, so obviously this will be converted into float. So I need to explicitly mention that female number is float here, and then the compiler will implicitly convert male number into float, and hence their result would be converted into float by default. So now the ratio will be 0.20, which is the actual value that I want. So this is the concept of explicit type conversion.